IM4DC short course in environmental management is very useful to us because this is focused on the mining industry, which is very new to the Philippines because we are an agricultural country and most of our environmental management focusing in agriculture.
There are a lot of things that I've learned from this course. It cut across from social, political, governance, economic, socio-cultural, and environmental dimensions of regional development and mining. But I learned more in terms of the backward and the forward, the sideward linkages of the mining industry that needs to be given more emphasis in terms of setting up, for example, a growth corridors or a mega project like a logistic infrastructure.
From this course, I really got this real understanding what is important of collaboration between stakeholders within the mining industry.
The IM4DC course gives the students an amazing experience. We've had over 20 different speakers come into this course and spend 90 minutes or more with the students talking about particular themes, different aspects of environmental management in the mining sector.
At the moment, the mining industry in the Philippines is very controversial. After they have finished extracting all the minerals below, most of the companies just leave us and there's no rehabilitation that will be taking place, which I think we don't want. This particular aspect of the course, that is the mine rehabilitation, I can use this in the university because we are now offering mining-related courses like the geology and the mining engineering and environment. Eventually, this can lead up to the change in the policy that will put more importance on the mining rehabilitation.
Doing research is very important for mining industry, for regional development and mining industry in the Philippines because there's a need actually to come up with a policy relevant information which could be done through research, and the theoretical underpinnings and the approaches, the methodological approaches of the program helps me a lot understand the whole picture of regional development and mining.
In the future, so we would like to collaborate closely in the field management of the geoscience data and exploration.
The mine inspector training program in Indonesia, it used to be a centralized program which cost us, the federal government, a lot of money. We're hoping to have a more localized training system rather than the old ways of centered training system, as it will also reduce the amount of budget that will be disbursed for this particular program. And to be able to do this, we have to empower local government capabilities and do collaborative efforts between the federal government and local government. I can say that the IM4DC role here in this project is really is quite crucial because back then we have the idea and we have the view on how this was supposed to be and we have identified the problem. But the cooperation with the IM4DC just realized our intention and crystallized the work program that we've been planning so far.
Even this was a pilot, a small survey. It resulted in a very good results in terms of making the mining company to understand the essence of the point and making their contribution to the social responsibility in line with their social responsibility policy. And it really opened up a new way of communicating between the local communities and operations.
The women's role in mining cannot be undermined. It is really very important for them to be involved because in our country, the Philippines, women is very strong. So if we can tap women in this responsible mining, then maybe we can have a success. It's really very important.
As they said, one person can make a lot of change through social network, through communication, and also through my job place itself, you know.
We have observed some alumni being highly motivated and committed to make things work in the workplace, despite of the challenges and obstacles they have encountered. They, for instance, have initiated a roundtable discussion to invite interested and relevant stakeholders to have an open conversation about the change they are going to implement. It's very inspiring to see such initiatives are instigated by our participants as a result of attending IM4DC programs.
We are educating the mining industry in our country. So we want it to be flourishing, developing, but in the right way.